Hi, it's me again. Today I'm making an assembly tutorial for Browning High Power. Let's back to it. So you probably printed it out and wondering how to assemble it. I will help you. Take the body, take the trigger. Rotate the trigger so it can fit here in the trigger notch. I don't know how it's called. Rotate it so it can fit here. Of course, don't remember about the spring. If you put the trigger first, you can't put the spring next. You have to. There's a little place in the trigger, so you can put your spring here. Then you put this. Take the 2mm nail or any nail that fits you, because you could. I don't know how in America nails work. In Poland we have pretty much all of the variety of nails, so you have to manipulate the trigger so the little hole in the trigger shows, and then you save the trigger with the nail. Take the safety and do the same with the other nail so it can move. Take the mag catch, slide it through this place with the little place, because you cannot push this through here because it's too small hole for the bag. So you give the 175mm wire, or the wire that Mussy used for his designs. It works. Focus, yes. Oh. It works, so the wire works like a spring, so you can make the magazine stay in place. Next, if you did all of this, the trigger, the slide catch, safety, you have to glue the slide pin into this little notch that I made there. You can hardly see, but it's there. Of course, do it before you glue the barrel, because the barrel will effectively make anger issues with you. So glue the pin, and if the pin is sliding freely through this other pin, just like that, it's done. Now take two 38mm springs, one here, other one in the slide. If I look in the camera, I cannot do anything. My perception changes. So yeah, check if the back plate and all of this work together. Slide catch works, safety works, here also trigger works, sides look good. Grips, you have to take the two little pins, or something I can call this because I don't know, click the grips into the body. If they don't stay in place, glue them. Same for the fake bullet in the magazine. For first 2 minutes, when I shoved the little fake bullet here, it stayed in place and didn't want to come off. But when I inserted it into the gun, this fallout, so I glued this already. Also, you don't have to glue it, it's not necessary, but it looks cool, I think. Yes, the most furious part that I had, that's what the barrel. It was too big to slide correctly, so I had to sand it very much. You just glue it here, but you have to make sure it's not crooked in any way, because it just won't work. It has to slide and it has to work just like anything. If you do this all correctly, you can now put filament rods into the sides, so it looks cool. I put here glow in the dark filaments, so it glows in the night. And I think it's all that I have to. Just call me from the comments, say if you have a problem, I will try to help you. If you don't have a problem, great, have a great time assembling this and playing with it. Bye.